Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today we're doing a VR accessory review for your Meta Quest 2 headset. I'm pretty excited about this one today. I'm actually testing this product before it is released. When you're seeing this, this product will be released though. So this is the battery and audio strap made by Kiwi Design. So you can see we got the battery pack on the back and we have the audio headphones there attached to this as well. So this is a combination of both their audio strap and their battery elite strap, all into one big thing here. So I'm going to unbox it. I will put it on, show it to you, and give you my review of it here in the end as well. If you haven't checked out my other reviews, I encourage you to do so. I will link the playlist below where you can find them all, and you can find something else that you might be interested in. But let's jump into this one. Alright, here we have a nice box here by Kiwi Design. Let us open this one up. So it's just as you would expect. We got the headphones there. We got the battery pack back here. We got our padding as well. So this padding, we can see, just slides in the back and clips in here. There we go. You'll feel that clip in. That feels, you know, nice and comfy, just like all the other Kiwi head straps that I've used. And there's your top strap as well. So I'm just going to extend this out a little bit. There we go. And here I have beside me just the battery head strap, and you can see it's very, very similar, just without the headphones. And attached to my Quest 2 right now is the actual audio strap. What I wanted to do quickly here before I attach it to the Quest 2 is just kind of weigh everything. Just put them all onto the scale, see what the actual weight of these are. I know that they usually tell you that on the website, but I'm curious to do my own little test here and see what they're at. So I should have had this detached before. I apologize. Okay, so I've got just a little food scale here that I use. I don't know if you'll be able to see the numbers or not, but I can tell you. Okay, so we have just the battery strap. Just the battery strap weighs in at about 380 grams. Just the audio strap weighs in at about 391, so 10 grams, 11 grams more, if we're being precise. And the audio and the battery weighs in at 555 grams. So it is quite a bit heavier, 170-ish grams heavier, give or take. And if that's going to affect our gameplay or comfort, we will find out. So to install this, it's pretty straightforward, just like the other ones. If you've ever put on any aftermarket head strap, it's pretty straightforward. Alright, there we go. It's set in there now. That is a bit heavier than just without, for sure. You can definitely feel that weight difference there. So I'm going to try this out, and we'll see how it goes, and I will give you my review on it here in a little bit, and I'll show you what it looks like on as well. Alright, so I have had a chance to test this one out a little bit, and now I will give you my review of it, as well as just try it on to show you how it fits and how everything looks. So if you've never used a Kiwi Design head strap before, it is very similar to both the Elite strap with the battery and just the audio head strap. Same exact design, it just combines both of those features, the battery and the headphones on the side. So we got the nice padding on the back here. Kiwi's got some really nice padding. It's nice and dense. really cushions the back of your head. It keeps it nice and comfortable on the back. The battery pack itself, as you can see here, we got a knob on top to adjust and change that. We got your USB-C port where you can charge it. You can do the continuous, or I think it's called continuous charging, where you could have this plugged in and it plugged into your headset, so you can be charging both at the same time. We got the cord coming out the side here, which is a nice feature. You don't want it coming out the top or the bottom. And it's a really good length. It comes with this little attachment here, Velcro attachment, where you can attach the cord into there to kind of keep it a little bit more secure, so it's not dangling around when you are playing. And then it just attaches into the side there. In terms of the audio part of it, we've got two headphones, as you can see here. And when I put this on, you'll see kind of how they move, but they are very squishy, nice and soft. They rest firmly on your ears, but they don't feel uncomfortable. They don't hurt at all. So let's put this on here so that we got a nice flexing point here. As you can see, you can put it up like that when you're going to put it on, and then adjust that down to where you want it. Make sure you have this top strap adjusted to the proper length, because that's really going to take a lot of the weight off of your face as well, having that set at that proper weight. And then you can adjust that knob at the back. So this is an Elite strap, so there is going to be some weight on the front of your face, but with the battery on the back, it does balance that out quite nicely for you. And then, like I said, when you adjust this top strap properly, it does help take that weight off the front of your face, as this is a little bit heavier than any other headset with the battery that I've tried. So these, you can see on the side here, rotate, and then you can see they also kind of pivot on the sides there as well. And then the little ends also rotate a little bit as well. I don't know if you can see that too well, but those rotate so you can get a nice fitting on your ears as you go. So there's just kind of the look of it there. And again, it lifts up quite easily there, so you could easily look down and check your phone, check something, and then adjust it back down. And once you have it adjusted on there pretty good, it stays pretty firm. I started doing the headbanger test here. You know, I find even these headphones, they stay pretty firm on there as well. Then you can easily adjust it and take it off there, and you're good to go. In terms of quality, these battery packs will add another, depending what you're doing, around 4 hours. Could be a little bit less, could be a little bit more, depending on what you're doing on your Quest. So that can increase your playtime to about 6 hours total, or a little bit more than that as well. I like the design. It's nice and sleek. It's not bulky. I like how the cord comes out the side, as I mentioned before, and you can charge both of them at the same time if you need. I think the only drawback to this is that you can't swap out the battery. Some of these new head straps that I've tested out, they have the hot swappable battery, they say, so you can put one in, have another one charging, and then just swap them out as you need. I never play for that long to ever need that, but some of you might, and so that could be a feature that you could look into that this one doesn't have. In terms of audio quality, these definitely increase the audio quality compared to the stock audio that is just with the speakers on your Quest 2. Are they anything spectacular to write home about? Maybe not quite, but they are definitely better, and they're good quality. I'm not saying that they're bad. They're definitely a good quality. They're really comfortable, and I think the biggest draw for me to have the audio strap here as well is just the immersive experience that it creates. It really blocks out the other noise around you and really immerses you in that experience, whatever you might be playing at that time. So in terms of, you know, enhancing your VR experience, that's a big plus for this one here. And you can see that these cords just go across nicely on the top and plug into your headphone jack on the side there. There is a lot going on here with the battery, the audio, and you might not always want all of that going on at once, But if you're looking to have that full experience with an extended playtime, this is definitely a great option that you can check out. So the product just went live, and I wanted to give my thoughts on the price. On their website, it is $166 American, or about 220 Canadian. That is a little bit pricey, I think. If you can get a coupon code or find it on sale, that would be much better. On Amazon.com, it is $119, and right now there is a coupon code for $20, which makes it $99. That's less or equivalent to just the battery or just the audio strap by itself, and that is similar to other competitors' prices of just battery straps. So that's a great price. If you're looking to buy it, now is the time to do that. If you don't see that coupon there anymore, just wait a little bit. Things on Amazon seem to go on sale, or coupons will show up, so you can wait for that, and hopefully you'll find it. So I think that is it from me. If you have any comments, please leave them below. If you haven't checked out my other VR accessory reviews, make sure you check those ones out as well. I've got one just for the audio strap, just one for the battery strap, and a ton of other ones as well that you can check out. I will link all those below so you can find that playlist. Thank you for joining me here on Brian Sloan Artist. We'll see you next time.